Can we go into the car wash? So it's like the Mike's Express car wash. We're choosing your choice wash. Wheel-Brite and tire shine. You can't see it well because it's blurry. Here's the pre-soak. You see this man doing it. That's what the car wash looks like. Whoa! Mom, did you see that? Savannah, do you like it? Whoa. Okay.
You hold my hand?
Okay, so this is the mirror. Okay, here's the soap. Here's the mirror.
It's okay.
Is it okay, Savannah?
It's okay, baby.
It's okay, Savannah?
Okay.
Okay. Here's the all-around wash devices. Whoa. Whoa.
It's okay, baby.
Look at the back. Whoa. Okay, here's the shampoo. Okay, where is the shampoo?
It's all over. See?
Oh, there. The shampoo was on here. Okay, here's more all-around wash devices. Okay, here's the rinse. Whoa! Look at the rinse. It's awesome. Wow. Look at the rinse. Okay, here we go with the rinse arch of the spot-free rinse. Okay, so we're going backward. Okay, so here's the spot-free rinse. Here's the dryers. Mom, look at the dryers.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa. Pretty powerful. Are they, Mom? Whoa. And they turn when they go to the back. Here's the top, and here's the side ones. They're pretty powerful. This shines your choice watch because we're doing it. Whoa! Look at those tires. Okay, this one is on top, but there's fans in there, but it doesn't go off. And it says foot on brake, off brake. Okay, that's the Mike's car wash.